Jessica. This one ours? Yep.
Good morning, everybody.
Hiya.
We have come to Monaco today.
Monaco.
Well, we've come on the train, as you saw, and we are going to go and have a little explore. My mum and dad haven't come today because they went a couple of years ago.
Yeah.
But Tom's never been, so
I've never been here, so
we're going to go see the palace, and we're going to go see the casino and all of that jazz.
yeah.
We've made it to the casino. It's over there. But first, this fountain is dedicated to the Prince of Monaco. So if you didn't know, Monaco is a principality, I think it's called, which means that it's its own sovereign state. So it's not part of France, it's just its own little thing.
Yeah.
And it has its own palace and its own prince. And we'll go see the castle later, but first let's go check out the casino.
I ain't watched James Bond in ages.
So let's have a little walk through this super cute little garden. Does anybody recognise it from James Bond? I haven't seen it, I must admit.
Is it the Daniel Craig one?
No, older.
Oh.
I've never been in here, Thomas.
No. Very cool.
Tom, it's giving me all the Gringotts vibes.
It does have that kind of feel.
But we're not going to go in a casino today, we're not rich enough. You can get some cool souvenirs, so there's ties and things, and you can get these cool key rings and mugs and all that jazz. The other thing that Monaco is famous for is the Grand Prix, and you get little replica Ferraris. Right, on to the next. People also park their really expensive cars outside just to park their cars here. And look, it's a Ferrari.
That's not the right kind of Ferrari, though.
No.
Not a racing car. What?
Luigi loves a Ferrari. All we think is cars.
Yeah.
Right next to the casino, it would be the Opera House. I mean, there is the Opera House, but it's just going under some work right now. But that's right by the seafront. Let's go have a look at the pretty view. This is Port Hercule, or Hercules, if you're saying it in English.
Oh.
It's the largest body of water in Monaco, but it's the only port here. It's the only large body of water in Monaco, I think, because it's obviously its own sovereign state. But yeah, lots of cruise boats come in here.
Can't wait for our Disney cruise.
Cruise ships. Lots of cruise ships come in here.
We'll zoom in. You think that's the castle over there?
Yeah, and you see that the flag is coming out the top of the tower. That means the prince is at home.
Oh.
That means you can't go in though.
Yeah.
But that's where we're heading.
That's where we're heading.
See how far we have to walk. Now I'm pretty sure this is one of the roads they use in the Grand Prix.
The Grand Prix track. outline there.
It is. But the Grand Prix isn't on right now, it's on in May. So they're way too far gone.
It would be all boarded off with like lots of
seats. Yeah. Barriers.
Barriers, yeah.
My dad and my uncle have been to the Grand Prix before though, so I will put in a picture here of what it's like. Monaco's quite good in the sense that if you have any accessible needs, they have lifts by most sets of stairs.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. So there are buses to get up to the palace, but otherwise it's a bit of a hike. You ready?
Yeah. I think we're gonna miss the guards.
Maybe. They've changed the guards at 12 and it's 1:45. Google Maps says it's a 7-minute walk. So we'll see.
Crowd, so we think this is the change of guards.
This is the palace. We made it up all those steep stairs. But there is a whole nother like touristy area up here in the sense of you can come and watch the guards change. I have a feeling everyone's lined up here that they might march back down again. But yeah, that's all the palace, and then there's all these streets of shops and things down here. And this is the flag that we saw from all the way over that other side.
Yeah.
Oh, I think this is when they changed, Tom.
March!
Me and Tom got lost from each other and look, he can't find me. I see him. I found you!
Did you get a good shot?
I think so. Available in Monaco is these little hop-on, hop-off buses. We've never done this. I've never done it anyway. I don't know what all 12 stops are. But I feel like if you want to do the whole thing, and you don't have somebody like me who's been here before, then they're a good option.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got given this little visit Monaco thing, so maybe we can see what the 12 stops are later.
Yeah. You can get the little train.
I believe that's where you can get to come up those stairs.
Yeah.
I wonder if they still work.
I know, but that would be shooting straight through the tree.
I know it would, but there's so many. So little facts about the castle is that it's been here for a really long time, but it was a Genoese fortress in the 13th century. So it was part of Genoa, which is another place that we want to go.
Genoa?
The place that's thingy off Luca's inspired by.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, if you want to come and visit, you have to come when the prince isn't in. You can go inside and you can have a look at the throne room, which is cool.
But he's having a nap.
He's there today. So we cannot go in, but I've never been in. It would be cool to do one day.
Yeah.
There's also a room in there which is completely blue and gold.
Huh?
There's also a room in there which is completely blue and gold.
Right.
So Princess Grace is actually Grace Kelly, the singer. She married the Prince of Monaco and lived here for quite a while until she died. So a lot of things around here are called Grace or dedicated to Grace, in the sense that she's Princess Grace, Grace Kelly. Now time to shop. Here's the palace made out of matchsticks. Pretty cool.
Wonder how quick it would take to burn.
This is the bit we see out front.
Yeah.
Disney follows us everywhere. We are on the search for the violet
ice cream.
So we have come into St. Martin's Gardens. We're going to sit down and have some lunch, but
Yes.
there are 3 gardens I think in Monaco. This one, Jardin Exotique, which is further up, which we can go to in a bit, and then there's also a rose garden that's dedicated to Grace Kelly.
Yeah.
So let's find a spot to have some lunch.
Yes, hungry.
Okay, so I've just had a little look-see, and this garden first opened in 1816, and it was the first public gardens. So this was the first one that you could actually have like a walk through. This place up there is the Ocean Museum, essentially, Musée Oceanographique, and there's aquariums and things there, but essentially it's just a museum for old artifacts and science artifacts to do with the sea. But it's right on the ocean front. Having a nice time?
Yeah.
We all live in a yellow submarine. Yellow submarine. And I thought the seagull was part of it, but it's not, it's real. Yum yum yum.
Ice cream.
We couldn't find the Parma Violet. But you've got, on the top, you've
Salted
got
caramel and cookies.
vanilla and chocolate.
Vanilla cookies and chocolate.
Yeah,
whatever,
so you've
I
got
don't know.
fudge and vanilla chocolate cookies. And I've got mango sorbet on top, and then strawberry cheesecake ice cream on the bottom. Yum, yum, yum.
This is yummy.
We're going to go sit in the shade over there or over here, and then make our way back down.
I thought we were going to make our way back down eating, but never mind.
I need a sit.
Wait for me!
We just missed the train.
We are running for this. Well, another couple was running as well for the same one. And we both just like, oh, okay.
Okay, so we've got half an hour. Should we go get a drink from one of those shops? Morning, everybody.
It's raining.
I'm under an umbrella. So I got my white shirt on again because it's warm, but it's not majorly warm.
No, it's
But
still nice out.
last full day here and it's raining. But at least it's not too hot. Like, we're nice and tanned now, aren't we? So
Yeah.
we're not too bothered. But we're gonna nip back into Antibes again today in this lovely weather just to get some bits, hopefully, that we didn't get round to the first time. Last souvenirs. We just got this cute little postcard to put in our bathroom, didn't we?
Yeah.
It's a nice one of the port and the beach over here.
Yeah.
We found it!
We've got,
We found it!
and
Just as good?
just good.
Oh, so just picking up the caravan. Almost done. Those two, because we go home tomorrow.
Home tomorrow.
But Tom wants one last dip in the pool.
It's gonna be cold, isn't it?
It's because it's raining.
I might not go in. We might just walk there and decide now.
Okay.
Do you want to bring yours just in case?
I'm not going in.
All right then.
I've just put my bikini top on just to go down there. But right, okay.
Oh.
Of course, no one here.
We tested it.
Dip.
It's too cold.
Dip the toe. Oh, it is a little cold, but not too cold.
What?
It's not too cold. You'd have the pool entirely to yourself.
It's gonna be cold.
I know. Why?
What?
Okay.
Oh, it's fine.
You could have done a bigger jump. I've decided, as it's our last day here and no one else is in the pool, I should probably go in. So I've put my hair up and I'm about to go in. Right, we've got changed and showered.
Yes.
Tom's wearing his nice outfit.
Yeah.
I have got this outfit on again.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wore it the other night. I wore it the other night to go for dinner down here.
Oh,
We've only been out for dinner twice, really. But yeah, we're gonna go to the place that we used to stay, the other campsite a bit closer to the beach, for dinner
Yeah.
as our last meal.
I think I'm gonna go for the
Oh.
something else to change changes my mind.
Yeah, I'm gonna see what there is.
But we're having a
spaghetti bolognese tomorrow at lunchtime.
Before we set off, so.
Yeah.
Don't know if you can see, but there's one of the parakeets we keep hearing and seeing fly over. Ah, never seen them this close. Jessica is sad.
It is sad. All of this here, it got flooded. All of the caravans we used to stay in were on here.
It got flooded out.
So it's sad that it's empty now.
It's nice, like it looks nice that it's empty, but it's empty as in barren empty.
Yeah, it is nice, but it's crazy because all the trees have grown so much it never used to look like this. The trees have just kind of flourished because there's nothing else here.
That's nice though. That the trees have gotten a nice little bit of freedom, I guess.
There are still some duckies.
There are some duckies.
I can remember every year I used to come and there'd always be ducklings and we'd come down here to a bit here. Here. And we'd go down there. And then there is a bit down there as well, further down that you can stand on, and we used to feed all the ducks.
Wait, too much brambly.
Too much brambly now. There's donkeys!
There is donkeys. I'm scared. She's broken. Hello. Oh, hello.
He thinks I have food because I went in my bag to get the camera. Oh. There's the pool in there. It's way bigger than the one at Eden. But this is the layout of the campsite we used to stay at. But all of this green was caravans. It's sad now because they flooded, but would have been cool. They used to get ice cream from here and sun lounges, and we used to sit around the edge there, and it was real nice with all the paintings on the wall and stuff. And there used to be shoe racks here. Not anymore.
Not anymore before he flies off.
Tom's well happy. There's one right there.
He got as close as I can get. I know he sees me. Oh, I love him. I'm scaring him, I think. I'll leave him be to eat his pine things. Goodbye, birdie.
Last on the agenda, having a walk around the fun fair that's by us called Antibland.
Won't go anything, mate.
No, no rides for us, just had dinner, but we might have a go at the grabber machines.
Yeah.
What is this?
By the music.
Crush's coaster.
Crush's coaster. It is, look.
Toothless.
Toothless is the goal.
Safe to say, we did not win, but there's lots of Disney knockoffs.